Good morning.
Good morning. Today we're driving from Lake Pukaki to Queenstown. It's 217 kilometers and one of the most beautiful routes in New Zealand. We're spending our time exploring the town, grabbing some proper fish and chips with a New Zealand twist, and taking care of real campervan stuff. Somewhere in between all of that, I ended up pushing myself a little further than planned at the Queenstown Skyline Gondola. This is super scary for me. It is really nice to just be able to do it all indoors.
I remember we said this before with Taj, but it's so cool just to have all of your stuff with you all the time. You can just pull up somewhere, cook some food, have a coffee, get changed.
Is it nice? Nice view of the lake.
Can't really see much.
I reckon the coffee's ready. Coffee's hot.
Oh.
Coffee's hot.
Just as we're about to head off, the fog has started to clear. It's starting to warm up, which is good. We've had breakfast and we're ready to go. It did just get really warm within like 10 minutes, which is crazy, so we've had to change. And I can't stop showing you because it is just so amazing. The mountains are coming out. I don't think I'll ever get over how awesome that is. This is the view from the gas station.
We've been driving for, I don't know, maybe half an hour, and we've come to the Wrinkly Rams Cafe, hoping to get a coffee. We're both absolutely exhausted. Once again, the landscape has actually changed again, so we've kind of said goodbye to the snowy capped mountains and hello to the lush green hillside mixed with shades of brown, and it looks really cool. It just I know we've said this before, but every single corner you turn, you go into something completely different and a completely different environment. It's been a pretty wicked drive again.
Just going to grab a coffee to go on the road and look at the scenes. The views here are just crazy. There's just mountains all around this coffee shop.
I can just imagine Lord of the Rings. I can just imagine it. Oh, the scenes we're going through, all these like little rocky kind of bits poking out of the mountains. You can just imagine it. You know, Frodo, Samwise walking through it on their way to Mount Doom.
Such a nerd.
I am a nerd. I am a nerd. It's bloody Lord of the Rings, mate. We stopped off at the Roaring Meg. We thought it was going to be a waterfall, but actually it is whitewater rapids. And actually it's going really, really quick. And this powers a hydroelectric dam and generates loads of electricity for everyone.
We've driven 2 kilometers up a hill or mountain, and we've got this lovely scenic lookout. It's just crazy beautiful, like we keep saying, for everywhere. Now we've got a short drive back down the mountain and we're gonna head to Queenstown.
If you've watched the channel long enough, you know I don't like heights. I really, really dislike driving up mountains as well, so it's quite scary for me. I am bricking it right now.
It was so weird being at those shops because there was just mountains everywhere, mountains behind the shops. It was so beautiful. We're just driving to our campsite. The views are amazing, obviously. I'm assuming we're in a city, and I've never seen a city like that. It's just crazy that there's just mountains everywhere. It's the most picturesque city I've ever been to.
So we finally parked up, and this is the first time since our journey that we're going to have power. Let's see if it's easy to do. First we need the power cable. And if you lift this little flap. Now let's check to see if we've got power.
When the microwave light comes on, we've got power. We've done it right. We did get a roast chook, which comes with stuffing. So Jason is making our sandwiches for our hike tomorrow.
I've made 2. Look at that. Not cut them in half though.
Just watching Harry Potter in bed. Good night. Good morning. We both just fell asleep, and now it's 2 hours later. We were meant to leave for a walk today because it's 8 hours, so we were meant to have left by now. Whoops.
Look who it is who went and got the coffees.
Thank you.
Good job. We're just trying to figure out what today looks like.
I don't think we can do that walk because it's a bit late now. It was an 8-hour walk up the mountain, so I don't think either of us are up for that, and I think it's a bit late because it's meant to get quite hot, and we don't really want to be walking in the hottest part of the day, so.
Right, so we've finally awoken from our slumber, which is good. Had a nice little lie-in.
It was needed.
Yeah.
We're dressed and ready to go. And we have decided we're going to get the gondola up part of the mountain that we were going to do the walk on, and we're going to have a look at the view of Christchurch.
Queenstown.
Oh.
We're in Queenstown.
And we're going to have a look at the view of Queenstown.
Yeah. So let's get going. I can't believe I'm saying this again. We are about to get the gondola up that mountain behind me. If you want to see something funny, go and check out our video in Vietnam where we went to the Bana Hills and you had to get a similar gondola up to the top of it. I hate this so much. Get me off this bloody thing now. It was not fun for me. I absolutely hate heights with a passion. This is super scary for me. I need to get in the zone and try and face my fears once again. I did it on the mountain yesterday, driving up, and here we go again. Eee. Thank you. Oh God. Right, let's do this.
Face your face in the mountain.
You've got to face your fears in life. Otherwise you won't do anything.
Yeah, sit down.
I could look, but I can't. Not as bad as Vietnam. That was crazy.
Morning.
I did it! Probably the wrong day to wear white boxers. We just got to the top. There's a little cafe restaurant sort of thing. We've got 2 coffees and 2 salted caramel cookies because we need a coffee and I need some food after all that stress. So yeah, we're going to get that, then we'll show you out there. We are looking at mountains at eye level at the moment, which is pretty cool.
To get the gondola up here, it's quite expensive and it did blow our budget. It was 132 New Zealand dollars for both of us to get it up and to get it down. I haven't seen the view yet, but I'm sure it will be worth it. We were going to do the luge and there's a lot of things to do up here, but we're trying to save money for our travels. So we're just going to do the view, then we're going to head into town and have a walk around and yeah, try and find a fried kiwi.
Wow. Okay, this is high.
Being brave and sit on the other side.
The view is so cool. It's very steep. Really steep.
Just don't look down.
Sollen wir heute mal sehen?
Very proud of Jason looking that way. His face must be his head on.
in the kiwi.
I did buy something that I could wear. It's a little kiwi necklace and it's got hula shells. So I guess they get it somewhere from the lake maybe. But it's so nice. I really liked the blue and actually it was a really good price.
It's pretty cold. It's kind of like Tekapo, maybe not as cold.
Look how clear the water is though. Wow. Getting your feet in.
I'm dipping my feet in. Oh, it's cold. Oh. Behind me, that mountain range for all of the Lord of the Rings movie buffs, a bit like me, that is the filming location of the Misty Mountains. The actual name is the Remarkables, but to me that's the Misty Mountains. We've come lakeside. We actually just went to a place called Eric's Fish and Chips, which is really highly recommended around here. And we've got 2 deep fried kiwi fruits.
I don't know if it's a delicacy or if it's just this one place that sells them.
But we thought whilst we're here,
I've got
we
my
might
kiwi
as well
necklace
give it
on.
a go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
That is actually so good.
I'm going to do our first wash of the trip. Let's do a quick cycle.
Hey, it's nighttime.
We've not done a lot. We did our washing. We actually bought a ready meal for dinner because for some reason we've got a microwave in here, so we thought we might as well use it while we've got power.
We've got a long drive tomorrow. It is 20 to 10 and it's probably time to go to bed soon.